exactly what people have been raving about Ronaldo so much. There is an opportunity. India looking to score first. And there is an almighty melee near the goal.
Raheel was in the thick of it. They have a long corner.
Squire. China now defending deep, defending dangerously.
It's a penalty corner, and we know what that means.
Charmanpreet with injection. Decent. Oh, another good strike there. The captain once again taking the onus on himself. He has done so often, and China now on the break, sensing an opportunity here. It's a 2v2 situation. Going for the backhander. They're not able to slot the ball home, much to the relief of the Indians.
In the end, they defended that pretty well. India. This is India's penalty corner. Harmanpreet Singh goes right down the barrel. India conceded their first penalty corner, and we know what that means. It's an opportunity for Gao Zhisheng, if he's on the pitch, to step forward and fire this home. He's ready. Ki Jun Chen with the injection.
And a bit of a feint over there, but did ultimately work as it was a Chinese 31, Jiming Chow, who was trying to slot the ball home but missed it altogether.
They completely messed up their routine. Completely.
India still trying to find their bearings, and Craig Fulton was honest enough to admit as much that they have had very little time. They had the preparatory camp in Bangalore. Even acclimatization has been a bit of an issue. And what a goal against a run of play. A brilliant approach. India will have absolutely no trouble in just soaking things up. At the end of the opening quarter, India, thanks to Sukhjit, go 1-0 up.
And the third walk that he has been Suraj Latera, and I'm so happy that he's got this opportunity. It's him and Parker who has travelled.
Took the stride in, and India took an opportunity, making that certain entry, and they're doing it ever so subtly. Again, Harmanpreet Singh along with Srijesh Ware. The standard performance. India another opportunity inside the circle. Going for that forehand. Another strike now. And India make it a 2-0 advantage with Uttam Singh. Pushes the ball to Arjun. Goes for the backhander. Still an opportunity. India can make it 3-0 here.
So close. So close. Gurjot Singh from getting his goal on debut.
That's all they need to do. As India continue to dominate. Thanks to Uttam and Sukhjit, India lead 2 goals to 0. And China have a lot of catching up to do. Just a delectable brand of hockey. Action in progress as quarter 3 and the second half is underway with China pushing from left to right and India are looking to make good on their early gains. And going for the backhander. And what a strike here. Abhishek, Siddharth was mentioning in the first half that this was something that looked ominous. Every time Abhishek stepped forward, he was going to deliver a blistering scorcher or two. And there came the backhander early in the second half. India once again looking to reach the circle left. And that gives India another penalty corner. And Uttam Singh has been the recipient of that.
He's on the second. It goes to Harmanpreet. And only a long corner. Yuvraj and the others are saying it's got a foot.
With caution and stability, more importantly. So China now looking for those expansive crossfield sweeps. China have an opportunity here. There is a man up front, but Sumit did ever so well for India. And even as a penalty corner,
They're looking for a penalty stroke, Arun. And you can see what they're asking. Yuan Lin Lu is saying that it's a deliberate push in the back. It should be a penalty stroke. Here comes the aerial. There's nothing wrong here. Harmanpreet makes an error. And this was that moment. Sumit it was, who was tracking the run of Yuan Lin Lu. And was that deliberate? Should that be a penalty stroke is the question that has been asked. A penalty corner has been given. And I think we are going to stick with the penalty corner.
China had to take that review.
And Gao Jisheng, it's his show now.
Xi Jinping with injection condition. Shoots it wide off target. China haven't been able to make good on their opportunity as the Chinese captain blows that one.
That's the end of the third, and it's gone India's way so far.
As far as the penalty corner conversion is concerned, we have seen Harmanpreet takes his place under the bar as quarter four is upon us. India have a 3-0 advantage. India's two custodians would look to hold on to their clean sheet where India will want to add to their goal tally, but China have shown signs of a slight improvement in the third quarter. India have another opportunity going for that ferocious swipe once again, and it is that man Abhishek. You cannot keep him out of the game, and goalkeepers beware.
Well done by Gujot.
Meticulous build up. Speaking of build up, India make another subtlety. Another one of those routines that India have executed so well, with Uttam again looking for the deflection not to be. You also cannot help but notice that China haven't pressed India nearly enough. And without that, you sense that there is trepidation in the Chinese ranks even as they go on to concede another penalty corner. There is trepidation in the Chinese ranks, the fear of letting India exploit the spaces behind. Sharman with the injection. And Jugraj has let one rip just off target though. I wouldn't mind it too much. The intent was there for everyone to see. Circle entry has been made once again, and India have managed to earn another penalty corner. Exceptional display of hockey smarts again from India. Decent horn. Harman going at it once again, and India will reset for BC number 2.
Sanjay on the first, good line. Really good line. Run there by China, you can see. Chong Kong Chen running a really good line. They've switched batteries. Harman on the second. Good save. Straight at the keeper.
China looking for a circle entry off their own. Jian Wan slapped one across for a horizontal for a square pass. Decent ball. And China strike right up front, but do not have the requisite accuracy. There is a rebound. India have managed to somehow slot the ball away from a tight position. India now on the break. It is a 1v2 situation. India have numbers up front now. 900 distribution around. Neelkanta Sharma is not able to hold on to the ball as China launch a counter-attack of their own. A brilliant ball, almost along the baseline. Another penalty corner that's been awarded against the Indians. Another strike. And once again, not exactly on target, but the last two penalty corners have been a much more improved effort from China. Less than 25 seconds on the footer, and Craig Fulton, as Siddharth rightly mentioned, would want a clean sheet more than anything else. One more goal would only be a bonus. There is a referral now.
Not a problem. Looking for the 5 metres in the aerial, and you see if there's loss of control.
Right, all that needs to be seen is, was the 5-meter rule adhered to? And we will need a replay or two over here as Arjit Singh Kundal traps the ball. And is it 5 meters? That's the big question. mind that too much. Even as the seconds run out, the chance to run. And a little under 10 seconds remain now in the opening fixture. India will be a happy lot. India have done pretty much what they set out to do. An opportunity for a late goal from China out of nowhere. But as the final quarter go up, India, the defending champions, the four-time title holders, played the way they were expected to.